Hey there campers, here's how you can heal your character in Outbound. Outbound might be a cozy game, but you still need to watch out for yourself. In case you had an accident falling from a hill, or you intentionally jumped from somewhere high to make a short trip down, here are ways to heal your character. The most common method to recover some health is to sleep inside your camper van. The only problem is though you'll have to wait until the evening for you to be able to go to bed, which might be a bit of a wait if you don't like the thought of having low health. Another alternative to this would be to consume some ginger. You'll find these crops growing around the areas of the fire lookout and the community tree. There'll be these plants with the red color. Simply pick them up by the E button, press tab to open your backpack, and click on them to consume them. You'll restore some health per piece of ginger. And that's how you heal in Outbound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.